bananas. Today the Hindu headlines for you from Chennai. Indian diplomats will boycott Beijing Games. Selection of PLA Galvan Solider as torchbearer sparks row. TN Governor returns anti-NEET bill. Government convenes all-party meet on Friday. Promises to pass bill again. High Court. HC stays Haryana job quota for locals. Industry bodies welcome order. Government vows to ensure local employments. Tamil Nadu moves SC Supreme Court in student death case. Stay High Court's order for CBI probe. Tragic curve strike. SC Supreme Court adjourns Sindhu Road Range case to Feb 25. Punjab election due on February 20. Third wave saw more younger in patients. Health Ministry says vaccinated patients are safer. Overworked ATCs put air safety at risk. With a shortage of 19%, House panel called for urgent steps to fill vacancies. Region. TN DGP frames SOP to be followed in all POSCO cases. Personnel asked to collect DNA samples from accused before they are remanded. Francophonie Festival to be held in April. It is a celebration of richness of French language and Francophonie communities. A lot training centers in same district for teachers on pole duty. Experts discuss challenges in treating cancer during pandemic. It gave an opportunity to regime pre-COVID cancer protocol adopt to new norms. Dhoni to be real estate firms brand ambassador. Tangenco commercial inspector held. International passenger operation at new integrated terminal to begin by June. AAI has sounded airlines, customs and immigration authorities on this. Policeman arrested. DGP lost 3 police personnel. The trio had fined a police officer for not wearing a mask. Encroachments in commuters at bus stand in Puducherry. A number of makeshift shops have caused discomfort of travelers. UT registers 499 fresh COVID-19 cases, 2 deaths. Puducherry accounts for 286 of the new fresh infections. Electricity Department employees call off strike. Union budget offers nothing for common man, says ex-CM. It only caters to the interest of corporates. Schools to resume in person. Classes from today. Morning assembly cultural event cancelled. 36 bonded laborers rescued from brick kiln. From stages protest against right-wing attacks. Contempt targeting of minorities. Man arrested for during investors. Ascertain the original extent of marshland. NGT. Conduct a detailed survey. Tamil Nadu in focus. Nuggets of history. Measure of growth, a blend of development and welfareism. The state has areas of concern such as water and sanitation and lower enrollment ratio at the higher secondary school level. Pieces of Sangam literature. Simple commentaries in the pipeline. They will be made available at affordable prices to take them to masses. Initial public offering A new search from Tamil Nadu. 8 companies raised money last year. Singur Elephant Corridor. A blueprint for conservation. Tamil Nadu is working on a law to govern and manage elephant pathways. Tamil cinema, how it worked in technology. It was quick to adapt advances from the West even in its nascent period. A homegrown industry. Tamil Nadu's masala maker spices up market. The sector is dominated by 2 regional brands which together have a 70 to 80% market share. Tamil Nadu. Close all bars at Tasmak shops, says High Court. The judge said corporation did not have the authority to run them directly or indirectly. Rules notified for cash handling private security agencies. Cash vans cannot transport more than 5 crore per trip. State reports 11,993 new COVID-19 cases. Deaths 30. Chennai logs 1,751 fresh infections. Positivity rate falls to 9.2%. 55 lakh yet to take first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. Second dose pendency in the state stands at 96 lakh. TN government may wait for new norm on fiscal deficit. Political parties criticize governor. EPS criticize CM over Social Justice Federation. From page 1, TN moves SC Supreme Court in student death case. South. Silver line has in principle not, claims Kerala Finance Minister. KN Balagopal ages attempts to mislead the public about the K Rail project. Dilip moves High Court challenging further probe. Weather watch. Opponent protest KCR's remark on constitution. Congress leaders burnt Telangana CM's effigies. Tricolor unfurled at Jinnah Tower in Kundu. BJP wanted to rename it after Kalam. Government to set up AP Pavilion at Dubai Expo. Sowing time. Traditional knowledge. High drama in government school as wild tusker comes calling. Students and teachers lock themselves inside classrooms. Celebrating 100 years of Bhimsen Joshi, the life of the legend continues to inspire those who are passionate about music. New L species discovered in Kochi. Scientists find it from the specimen collected from Kalmuk fishing harbor. Editorial. A border move that will only blast China. The attempt to de-link the strategically important area of from the ongoing Ladakh border crisis is worrying. The crucial case of Meghalaya's COVID-19 relief package. Audit transparency and citizen-centric accountability need to be a part of fund support and disbursement. Winter is here. The games in China have taken on political significance domestically and globally. a disjointed response. Regulatory clarity on crypto assets should have accompanied the tax on traders' profit. Hoped. Does the budget deliver on reforms? The government has focused more on providing private goods than public goods. Muting the media. Recent developments in Hong Kong serve as a reminder of the freedoms we take granted. Data point. COVID-19 impact on housing. Demand dipped but prices remained high. From the Achieves. 50 years ago. Recognition of Bangladesh. 100 years ago. Forced conversion. World. His chief blows himself up aimed US raid. Qureshi exploded a bomb as US forces approached his safe houses in Idlib. 13 people were killed. Jaffna fishermen hold protest opposing Indian travelling. 2 Sri Lankans were killed in clash with Indian fishermen. Russia deployed more troops in Belarus. NATO 30,000 compact troops are in Ukraine's northern neighbor for joint drill. GL Paris to visit India from Feb 6. Putin Imran at Olympics opening. Lord's relations with China ahead of meeting with Xi Jinping. Exposure to a single nasal droplet can cause COVID. Infection first appears in throat. Study. Business. No rationale for lowering 30% tax on crypto profit Bajaj. Center open to resolving genuine problem arising from new tax regime. FY23 may see government borrow 600 billion less. Jan PMI reflects further easing in service activity. Business confident its 6-month low. COVID hit 300 of 403 regional air routes. Banks act against FRL for missing payment. Future retails loans classify as NP. CUMI to buy 2 German abrasives firms. LIC's embedded value set at over 5 trillion. Metric will establish market valuation. SF holding Q3 net rises 22% of 34 crore. Thank you for watching Learning Today, Leading Tomorrow. Subscribe now.